Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to number 17 Devon Road, the epitome of relaxed luxury in a private getaway. It's immaculate, but check this out, a 10 by 8.5 metre shed. Just imagine what you can do in there and what you could create. Let's go check the house out. Private entry, large open plan living.
Double moral bitterness is not my time, but still it kinda works on you.
Massive 5.5 by 12 metre entertainment area. Insulated roof, lights, fans, Cathay style blinds, plus fireplace.
I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. I think you're
There's not a week goes by when people don't ask me for a big house with a large shed. Most of them are a small house with a large shed, or a lovely home with no access to put a shed in. 17 Devon Road has it all. A massive house, 4 bedrooms, and a lovely big 10 by 8 shed. Check it out.
before you think it's your original touch, but I guess it kinda works on you.